Hello everyone, my name is Shweta Keval Ramani. On behalf of the Indian Institutes of Architect, Nagpur Center, Maharashtra chapter, I welcome you all to Rachna 2020, an exposition which presents a unique forum for manufacturers, dealers, exporters, suppliers, producers, architects, interior designers, students of architecture and interior designing, MEP consultants, construction professionals, contractors, realtors, specifiers, and end users. For anybody who wishes to upgrade their knowledge regarding products, services, systems, technologies, and designs, Rachna 2020 is the perfect place to be. It has been designed and planned as a perfect show window of advanced technology and innovation in the fields of architecture and interior designing. Rachna 2020 offers a vocabulary of design which is modern, stylish, and very upmarket. All I can say is that Rachna 2020 is a place where construction converges with allied sectors. So without wasting your time, come and visit this expo, which is totally action packed, from 10th of January to 13th of January at Ladies Club Lawns, Civil Lines, Nagpur, and give yourself a chance to learn, explore, and do lots of networking. So without further ado, I, Shweta Keval Ramani, take this pleasure to take you on a tour of this expo and show you what the jury of IIA has to offer you. Let's go. Guys, I'm at Rachna 2020 and I'm at stall number 18 and 21, which is Visual Vibrations, and now I request Mr. Vikas, the owner of the same, to guide us and tell us what is the USP of his stalls.
Great. So we are basically into residential technology. We do smart home automation, home theaters, networking, and anything related to the residential places now. What we've brought up is the world standard protocols. Okay. So basically, smart home automation is a very wide sector. There are a lot of smart devices available these days, but that does not give you the complexity to be done in a place in easy manner. So we've got the world's number one brand, Control 4, in smart home automation in residential with us to promote here. And we're doing projects like in technology which are being used in airports, big 5-star hotels and things. We are doing that for residential.
Can you take us on a tour of your store, please? We can start from here.
So this is Intera. This is a Turkish-based brand. It's a Turkish design. The protocol here is KNX. So basically KNX is a standard where the world is using. More than 450 manufacturers are designing their products to automate. This is a complete wired solution. The back end, the front end, this is how it has been basically designed to completely control your home. Most stable, most versatile and futuristic protocol. Okay. Control 4 is Control 4 is number one brand in the world in smart home automation. They're basically US based company. Few good things about them: very easy to use interface, more customizable. It's to the user. Every user is different, so you have options to design. I mean, you want music, along with music you want your door to be open in your own room. Okay, your ACs and everything's all controlled in one place. So multiple commands and things can be customized. So this is Control 4. Doorbird is basically a German brand. It is an IP control based video door phone solution. The most secured solution. It gives you an intruder alert. It records it. It takes snapshots of the people outside your home at the times where you want them to, and also saves them on the cloud. And with a 180-degree viewing angle, one of the best product to be installed in the house. Yeah. A more customizable solution, more digital solution of a wireless control of lighting. So these are digital panels. They are designed and manufactured in India. These are the products which come with a 440 volt power tested products. So any power fluctuation damages are all covered, and they can be customized depending how their living and areas are. So you can have your lights and things customized on them. Laser TV. This is basically the future of a living room projection technology. So when you have a TV, maybe a 50, 60, 70 inch, this is a 100-inch laser projection technology for a residential solution. So this is a very good idea for people who want a living room theater. Okay, here this is a very very deep, impactful cinema brand. The product is 45-year-old. They are Australian made. They do the most premium cinemas in the world. We, Visual Vibrations, represent them in India. We work pan-India. We are the master distributors for this brand. We got 5 demo rooms of this brand exclusive in our showroom. And by the way, we are the biggest audio store in entire India, in Nagpur. So this is a product where a client really wants a cinema, real cinema effect at their home. This product cannot go wrong. So something, one of the best things that they can go for. And it's a commercial heritage, a real cinema heritage. More than 30 countries are using this brand as a cinema, and we are the exclusive distributors for this product.
We are at Visual Vibration stall number 18 and 21. Thank you so much, Mr. Vikas, for updating us. So they are here from 10th of 13th of January. Yesterday the day has gone. Now we have 3 more days to look up to them. So please come here and hear from him what he has to offer to you. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, so we are at stall number 11. BathSense by Asian Paints, and now Mr. Nilesh will tell us a bit about his product and tell us what is the USP of his product and why people should come here and buy it. Sir, show us your store and tell us. Yeah.
So we are the single company in India having a after sales service ISO certification.
Okay.
So I will show the catalog. So 3 categories there: BathSense,
Yeah.
SS and Royal. 3 division in bath fitting products, as well as we have the BathSense sanitary also. So different type of features: 4D flushing with rimless, as well as tornado flushing in sanitary ware. So the main one advantage is there in showers. If you are using showers, we are not using daily showers. After some periods, the shower hole will be blocked.
Yes.
But we have the unique features. It's a self-cleaning function. Whenever you use shower flow,
Yes.
which one flow you are getting in day 1, same flow will you get in day 365 also.
So it flushes all the salts deposits basically.
It's easily removable and is self-cleaning. There is not a manual system. Second thing, we are the mentioned manufacturing date and all products also in small letters. So customer not need to necessarily carry a warranty card or bill or any references. So if the customer buy from this product from Nagpur and he will settle down in Mumbai or Kolkata, Jammu Kashmir or Kanyakumari, find anywhere. So we'll give to definitely assuredly service with the free cost of spare part.
2 things I really liked about this stall is that they have the manufacturing date and the purchase date written on the products, and the salt deposits can be washed off with their technology. Anything else you want to tell us?
Total 31 designs we have and different models, not as one single copy design, as well as we have the green plumbing solution also.
Okay.
Same thing, one advantage is here, it's unmatched warranty, 0 cost of spare part we are given to on return paper, no one can given to on return paper, as well as it's a major benefit, paperless warranty.
Okay.
And one unique product we have for water saving purpose. I'll show the 1 second. Majorly we are lost much more water in kitchen area as well as basin area. So that time you can use this type of aerators. So which one can be used at here. So it will be.
It gives a sprinkling effect and the water can be saved.
Shower flow.
Okay.
So you will save the 50% water flow as compared to you are currently using.
Thank you so much, sir. So this was stall number 11, BathSense by Asian Paints. Thank you. Okay, so I'm at Rachna 2020. This is dome number 2. I was earlier at dome number 1, and this is dome number 2, and I'm at stall number 1 and 2 by the name of Royal Decor. They specialize in wallpapers, different kinds of wallpapers. They customize it for you as well. There are different textures in wall paint. There are 3D wallpapers, there are painted wallpapers, there are leather wallpapers, there are different kinds of designer Indian wallpapers. They even specialize in carpets. They even specialize in wooden floorings, and they specialize in carpets. So we are at stall number 10. It is Glass and Metal India Private Limited. When I talk of the word glass, they absolutely deal in all the glass solutions, right from window panels to glass paintings to LED glasses to textured glasses, to tiles of glasses which can be used these days in the kitchens. They even do textured glasses. So anybody who is very fond of glasses and wants a lot of variety in it, they can visit stall number 10. This is also painting cum mirror, so it is very intriguing. They have textured glass also, and these are paintings in glass. So I think we have come to the right place for people who have a passion for glass. So I'm at stall number 10. Thank you so much.
It's a touch mirror.
Okay.
LED touch mirror.
The speciality about this glass is, this is a mirror and it is a touch mirror, LED mirror. So when you want to use it, it's very good for girls if they want to do their makeup and all. I think this is my favorite. I will specially vouch for it. So this is off and this is on. LED mirrors. So this is the place where you can find it. Stall number 10, dome number 2. Thank you so much. I said that. I said that.
Windows.
I said that.
Specific windows.
Specific window. Okay.
Anand, brief करो. Okay, that's fine.
So you can tell us.
I saw your video today at Rachna Updates.
Kal ka tha.
कल का था?
You can tell us about this. Okay. Start? हाँ.
Sir, thank you. These windows are system windows. These come with Georgian bars. The bars that you see here are called as Georgian bars. So these windows are exclusively used for sound heat insulation, and they also act a very good role as far as sound insulation is concerned. Then we have got, if you don't want Georgian bars, we have got DGU windows without Georgian bars. If you don't want a DGU glass, we have got windows with single glass as well. So these are our windows. We make them. We would love to have good response from here. Thank you.
So this was stall number 10, aluminium system windows. The name of the stall is Glass and Metal India Private Limited. Thank you so much. Okay everyone, I'm at stall number 8, which is Swapnil Trade Links K-Light, and I have with me Mr. Swapnil Jain. So he's going to tell us what he has to offer us at Rachna 2020 this year.
Hello. K-Light is basically an Chennai-based company and having specialty in outdoor and indoor lightings. They manufacture decorative garden lighting poles, landscape lightings, bollards, and you can see wall hangings, wall lights. Then there we can go with the bollards in decorative street light poles. Yeah. These are all bollards. We have wooden bollards also. We have garden lightings. Then we have indoor lines and dot series, which can be utilized in residentials. Then we have Then we have a unique one, 150 lumen